Welcome back to another weekly dinners. So today I wanted to make a dollar menu Taco Bell quesadilla thing that I bought the other day that was actually really good. It's like shredded chicken, cheddar cheese with like a chipotle sauce. I didn't look it up, so I'm definitely just winging it today. So I have some chicken breast on the stove boiling with just some salt. And over here you can see I have the ingredients for some like chipotle creamy sauce. I'm just hoping that it comes out good. We will see if it comes out good. So I'm attempting to make this chipotle sauce. So I didn't have all the ingredients. I'm only gonna do like half of it. So I have a half a chipotle pepper, a half a tablespoon of the sauce, a half a cup of mayonnaise, a half a cup of sour cream, and a half of, well, it's 1/8 teaspoon of cumin. And then I'm gonna add some salt and blend it up. And I'm gonna cross my fingers and hope that it tastes just like the Taco Bell one. I put the chipotle sauce in the shredded chicken. So I shredded the chicken breast and I put it in. It's good, but it's not Taco Bell good. So I'm gonna try different recipes more. I mean, it is good. I just wanna try like different ones. So I have my pan heating up right here. I have the flour tortillas and the cheddar jack. I think I said that right. Cheddar jack cheese. So I'm gonna add this first. And then I'm going to add the chicken. I'm just gonna spread the chicken. So I have the 2 quesadillas with some salad. This is like a super simple salad today. Jessica made it. We're really tired. It's actually late. We're having dinner later than we usually do. And then here is the quesadillas. I tried it already and it's really good. It doesn't taste like exactly like Taco Bell, but it's pretty close, and this is something I will definitely start making now. I love the chipotle sauce with the chicken and the cheese, so it's really good. And here's my dinner. I'm just having a salad with the chipotle chicken with some cheese and some chipotle sauce and tomato. And that's gonna be our dinner for Tuesday night. Today is Wednesday and it's gonna be a super simple dinner tonight. So I went and I picked up a watermelon, not a watermelon. I don't know why I always say things wrong. I picked up a pumpkin. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Okay, I picked up a pineapple and then a green salad, just a ready mixed green salad, some pasta sauce, pepperoni, and some deli rolls. I was looking for garlic bread, but Aldi didn't have that. So I'm just gonna make some salad with a side of fruit, and I'm gonna make some deli roll pizza bread. So here's dinner, the simple salad with some ranch. I'm having some pineapple and the little pizza breads. And that is our dinner for Wednesday night. Today is Friday and we're gonna have spaghetti because yesterday for Thursday we didn't end up having it. So the kids agreed that they're going to cook today. So Evelyn and Jessica, they're gonna cook, and let me show you guys. They're gonna make it with the mild Italian sausage. I love this stuff when it comes to like putting in the spaghetti. So they're gonna do that for me today and I'll film them doing it. They don't want their face to be filmed, but like I'll show like, you know, their body, their hands, like how they're doing it. So she put the sausage in. I have it on like a low medium heat. So she's just gonna brown it on the outside. I'm telling her like what to do. She's never cooked this before yet. And then once it's browned on the outside, we put about a 1/2 to 3/4 cups of water in there, and then I cover it and just let it cook so like it can cook thoroughly, you know, like inside. Here's the dinner that Evelyn and Jessica made. It's with the sausage and the big shells with some garlic bread. And they put some of them put mozzarella on top. But this is our dinner for Friday night. Today is Sunday, so Saturday I went to some birthday parties and I didn't film like what we ate there. And you know what, to be honest, this week I just wasn't really feeling like cooking much. You guys will definitely tell, you know, by everything we ate this week. So today is Sunday, and at Stater Brothers we just got some fried chicken, some wedges, and at least I have something that's, you know, a little healthy right there. We got some canned green beans and canned corn, and I'm just gonna have some ketchup with my wedges, and that is it. This is our dinners for this week. Thank you guys so much for coming along with me and my family, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.